In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Radio Garden app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if you just downloaded and install Radio Garden app from your Player App Store, obviously you want to open it, so go ahead and click on open. Then you'll be brought to the page that looks like this, so it will say press play to start Radio Garden. So I'm going to go ahead and press play, and now it will say planting seeds. So give that a few moments to do its thing. I'll pause this video and get back to you. Alright, once it's finished planting seeds, mine didn't finish, I had to restart the app. So if you do get stuck on the planting seeds, just get out of the app and reopen it. And now, because I'm in Australia, Adelaide, you can see all the different radio stations around me by these green dots here. So you can see in South Australia all these green dots, these are radio stations. So now to listen to the radio station, I'm going to pause it, stop it for copyright reasons. So yeah, if you want to listen to the radio station in that area, so for example, I'm going to click on the one in Kangaroo Island here. So you can zoom in like so. And now I'm going to click on that green dot and listen to a radio station in Kangaroo Island. So in order to do it, so you've got this circle here. So hover that circle on that radio station and then it will find it. So I'll just do another one so you know exactly how to do this. So I'm going to pick this station over here. So it's called 5cc in Port Lincoln. And as you can see, it's playing. And the best thing about Radio Garden, you can listen to other stations that is outside your city or country. So if we zoom out here, you can see we've got the world here, so you can pick different radio stations here. So if I want to check out this radio station from this country, it'll automatically play. So I'm just going to stop that again. Now, if you like a radio station or you want a favorite one, because you got your favorites bar here, so you got explore, favorite, browse, search, and settings. So what you want to do, obviously, click onto the station here from China, and now it's got the little love heart. So click on the love heart, and that will be saved into your favorites. So if I go ahead and click into my favorites, you'll see that radio station has popped up there. So that's the way how to save your favorite radio station. If you want to explore, we're in the explore tab here. Down the bottom we got browse, so we can click on browse. So it's got here fringe city, so this different, distinctive, and experimental. Travel off the beaten path to find brain-tickling sounds, engaging dialogues, rich diversity and creativity. So you can view the playlist here. They've got 10 different playlists. So if I click into it, you can see all the different playlists here. Now if we go back, you've got Radio Diaspora. So radio is a foreign country. So stations connecting communities and groups living abroad. Listen to Japanese radio. So you can just browse through all these different playlists here. And if there's a radio station in mind, you just click search. You can search by country, city, or station, which is pretty cool. And down below, we've got settings as well. So if we click in the settings, you can go ahead and get the premium version of Radio Garden. That has no visual ads, has a sleep timer and equalizer as well. So if you want to grab that, go and grab it. And if you want to submit a radio station, you can do that here. They got the contact, about Radio Garden, privacy policy, terms and conditions, and it's also got disable vibration. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial of how to use Radio Garden.